In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make name label stickers in Canva. Start by opening Canva in your web browser and signing into your account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, go to the left side and click Create. This is where you start a new design. In the search bar, type sticker. Canva will usually show different sticker template sizes and formats. The purpose of choosing a sticker format first is to make sure your design is already set to a printable sticker layout, so you don't have to guess the dimensions later. Next, choose the sticker size you want. If you're making round name labels, you can select a circle sticker format. If you want a different shape, like rectangle or square, choose the one that fits your project. Once you click it, Canva will open a new design page with that sticker layout ready to edit. Now you need to add the visual for your sticker. If you already have a design, logo, icon, or image you want to use, you can upload it directly into Canva. Look for the Upload section, then add your file. After it uploads, click it to place it onto the sticker canvas. If you don't already have a sticker graphic, you can create one using another tool first, such as ChatGPT image generation, then bring it into Canva. For example, you might create a simple custom sticker image and then download it to your computer. If you do this, make sure the image is clear and good quality, so it still looks sharp when printed. Once your image is ready, go back to Canva. You can either paste the image directly if Canva accepts it, or upload the downloaded file through Uploads. After that, place it on the sticker design. Now resize the sticker graphic so it fits well inside the label area. Drag the corners to make it larger or smaller. Try to keep it centered. As you move it, Canva may show alignment guides, which help you place it in the middle. This is important because if the design is too close to the edge, it may look off-center or get cut too tightly when printed. If you're creating name label stickers specifically, this is a good time to add the name text. Click Text from the left panel, add a text box, and type the name you want on the sticker. Then choose a font that's easy to read, especially if the sticker will be small. Bold, simple fonts usually work best for labels. Place the text where it doesn't cover the main graphic too much, and adjust the size until it looks balanced. At this point, take a moment to check the full design. Make sure the name is spelled correctly, the graphic isn't stretched, and everything fits neatly inside the sticker boundary. A common beginner mistake is resizing from the sides instead of the corners, which can distort the image. If that happens, undo it and resize again from a corner. Once the design looks right, you have two main options. If you want Canva to handle the printing, you may see a Print with Canva option. That can be convenient, but it may involve extra cost. If you'd rather print the stickers yourself, download the design instead. To do that, go to the top right and click Share. In the menu that opens, click Download. Canva will then ask you to choose a file type, select PNG. PNG is usually the best choice for stickers, because it keeps the image quality high and works well for graphics and labels. Then click Download again. Canva will prepare the file and save it to your device. After the file downloads, you can print it yourself on sticker paper or send it to a print service. If you're printing at home, it's a good idea to do one test print first so you can check the size and alignment before using your sticker sheets. And that's how you make name label stickers in Canva. Thanks for watching.